everybody, it's Darcy Verkoff from MarineMax Pensacola. We're going to go on this used Sailfish 2021 276 dual console we just got in. So take a look, it's got twin 150s off the back for power, 4 strokes. Nice little swim ladder accessible swim locations, live well. And you can see from the stern it has plenty of seating, so we actually pulled these seats out, port, starboard, and stern. Has a nice little table, very comfortable for your guests with a lot of functionality, so in case you do want to fish. It does have a nice hard top with a sunshade above. And as far as instrumentation, we got a Garmin GPS, nice stereo system. This is mechanical motors. And you can see from the front, nice, cozy, roomy bow, real large. There's a filler cushion in here and great for entertaining. So come on down and check this boat out. I'd like to subscribe to boats like this and to our channel. Thank you.